Hey guys, I'm back and it is time to do a Mint Mongoose jewelry unboxing. So these come kind of late, or maybe it's on time for whatever their subscription model is. So this is actually August, whatever. Words elude me right now. But this is last month's Mint Mongoose. So for those of you who aren't aware, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription, and you get the baseline package is like 3 pieces of jewelry per month. You can kind of customize it to add rings or other things if you so choose, but I just get the baseline. If you hear anything, our dog Roxy has decided to join us, and what are you doing to the carpet? Ma'am, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, sorry. So this is kind of like my little moment of zen every month, because on top of getting the pieces of jewelry, you also get a card. On the one side, it has some sort of illustration, and on the other side, it just has like this really deep piece of wisdom that you're just like, this is what I needed today. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and start going into this card and saying what the jewelry is for this month. Hi there. This month's set is inspired by facing your fears. As a young girl, I was always nervous about the dark, but it wasn't until a near-death experience in my high school years that my fear found the justification it needed to torment me for years to come. My fear of the dark shaped my nighttime behavior for years, but when my oldest, Emma, told me she was afraid of the dark, I knew I had to face my fear to be able to help her with hers. So, we started spending evenings outside, and anytime she would be nervous about the monster outside her window, I would take the flashlight and show her there was nothing she had to be afraid of. You see, it wasn't the actual dark that scared her, but rather the fear of the unknown. Talking about that with her made a world of difference for both of us. Being able to understand the fear and change the way we had both looked at it helped put the fear we had both felt in check. The first layer of this necklace is meant to resemble the act of identifying your fear and seeing it for what it is. The second layer of the necklace is meant to resemble changing the way you look at fear until it becomes a little less scary. Facing fears is different for everyone. Some fears are extremely serious and some are lighter. Whatever level your fear presents itself as, taking a look at it from different angles and trying to understand it may help you take back some of the control this fear has had over you. I hope that this set, even if it doesn't spur a fearless life, reminds you how much stronger you are than your fear. Very well said, as always, Helena. Okay, so I think I like one of the necklaces in this month's box. I'm not sure about which, the other one or the earrings, but we will go ahead and unlock it. As always, every package comes with a emblem of a Mint Mongoose, if you will. So the baseline includes 2 necklaces that you can layer. They're all adjustable, so you can decide how long or how short you want them up to a certain extent. For whatever reason, every package also includes a Werther's Original, which I ain't mad about. Let's see what else. Oh, and it also comes with a set of earrings. I have been tempted, because I do have a thing for rings. I've been tempted to do the model, the package, the subscription that includes the ring every month, but you know, less is more sometimes, right? Anyways, give me a minute while I work on undoing all of this plastic. It was very pretty teal or mint colored tissue paper.
So I don't know how many of you guys out there are fans of the show Crazy Ex-Girlfriend, but I am very disappointed in myself that I did not think of this while I was unboxing it. But Paula sings a whole song about facing your fears and running with scissors and, you know, doing all sorts of just very sensible things like that. Please do not run with scissors.
So this is the necklace out of the 3 pieces of jewelry that I thought I would like the most. I mostly just love that simplistic black pendant. And I think I'm gonna wear this one maybe on the shortest. This one does seem smaller or shorter than the other necklaces I've gotten in Mint Mongoose. Let's see what it looks like if I wear it on the shortest setting. Ooh, I think that's kind of cute, if I do say so on myself. I do generally feel like their necklaces are longer, but I ain't mad about this. Maybe there's more that goes into the planning than I originally thought. But anyways, on to the next piece of jewelry. Okay, so here are the earrings for this month. Not my favorite, I'll be just honest. I think they're a little too plain, a little too simplistic for my taste. But you know, again, this is a pretty cheap and inexpensive jewelry subscription box. So I shouldn't exactly be expecting like high caliber jewelry every month just because I have been very pleasantly surprised in the past. But I mean, they're your basic, just plain, you know, earrings. If you just need like a simplistic earring, like these ain't bad. I don't hate them. They're not my favorite, but yeah. Anyways, moving on, we will open up this last necklace and try that on next. So this last necklace also mimics the same design as the earring, except the pendant is a little larger. I'll go ahead and wear this one on the shortest setting as well because this is meant to complement the other necklace, so it shouldn't really overlap hypothetically, but this one does feel longer. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like if I can figure out how a necklace works. Okay. So I feel like this one's a bit longer than the other one. Again, not my favorite, but I always appreciate the little bit of wisdom I get every month when it comes to facing my fears. Sorry, I just got distracted by like how my face matches this skin tone of my arm, but not necessarily this skin tone. But with that being said, summer is almost over and my tan lines will be fading hopefully sooner rather than later. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please please consider word vomiting all over the place. But more seriously, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, doing all the other things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people. I do have a Poshmark shop that I will have in the subscription down below. And anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy out there, my friends.